We will have to get foreign funding for
Yun,
this.
thank you very much, Secretary.
We rely on local funds.
Yeah.
Wala na kami
Tapos na kami
ni Kong
dito.
Rufus sa mundong ito bago pa matapos yan. Ganda naman ng bridge. O ito, may mga nakapile na pala tayo eh. Gano'ng kalalim ang pinile na dito? Ikaw, 50 meters? Mamagagi, man. Kabigin-biginan ni PBBM that we have to really focus on the priorities of the local areas and what the local areas need.
Masaya kami na nagkaroon ng Coastal Road ho. Kaya lang, yung na-finish ho, itong natapos na
Walang
ho,
docking.
Phase one, wala.
No,
Yun ang
we will.
problema ng mga
Can we
mananala.
identify the area na, ma'am,
Lagyan ng
Yes,
dock.
sir.
coordinate with sila congressman, sila mayor? I'll ask PPA to fund it. They
Thank
have
you
enough
very much,
money.
Secretary.
Life-changing itong mga
Oo,
proyektong to.
correct. Oo.
Kong eh.
Yeah.
Pahataw nyo na to ha. Habang di umuulan, no?